welcome back. I am about to do like a purple smoky eye like color. I really messed up because I already had like started doing this because I was on the phone and I can't record while I'm on the phone. So I'm gonna just start going straight into the rest of the video so you guys could get a better view. And I don't want to skip all the important stuff. And I don't want to have to like fast pace all the important steps either. So what I'm doing is just taking a little bit of this concealer and making a cut crease.
I never make a full cut crease. Don't ask me why. I
just been like doing eyebrows, put some lashes on, do my makeup, and be like gone. I ain't been doing no serious like colors or anything. I'm just setting my concealer or whatever. So then I'm gonna go in with this like purple eyeshadow. See, I'm going with this purple. This cut crease on a. This is the dark purple that I used, the Kat Von D. It's like this burgundy rust dark purple type of thing. But I don't know, for some reason I'm really not feeling it. I really don't like it anymore, but for the sake of y'all, I guess I'll just keep on with this. Okay. It is what it is. Oh wow. I'm gonna come back once I do this eye. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, now I did the second eye. So what I'm gonna do, I always take a Q-tip and put this eyeshadow remover. It's eyeshadow remover, but I put it in this little jar. And I always clean up under the eye with it. And clean like the side of my eyeshadow. So it could be really nice and neat and whatever. See that? Yeah. You want that neat. That neat stuff. Yeah. So of course I'm gonna put my lashes on and then I'll be back. I can't put lashes on online. I mean, not online, on camera, because this eye, my right eye, gives me hella problems. And when I say hella problems, serious problems. Okay, y'all, I got my lashes on. This one, I'm telling you, gives me problems. I have to do this one over 3 times. See, but they don't tell y'all that. They don't tell y'all that. So now I'm just going in with my eyeliner, which I'm already like finished. Okay, today I'm going to use Milk of Magnesia as my primer. I always use either the Becca primer or Milk of Magnesia. And if y'all know another like really good primer for dry skin, let me know. And I would definitely buy it, do a review on it, purchase it, all that good stuff. So I don't put a lot of Milk of Mag on. I just use the little top or whatever. And I just dip a little bit on my face. push this wig back, y'all. And I just pat a little bit on my face, especially like my nose and my forehead. For some reason, dip my nose and up my forehead gets really dry. I mean, gets really oily, I'm sorry. Gets really oily, so I definitely have to do that. Foundation. Let's put this brush beauty blender. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation in the color Espresso. And then y'all know I don't never put it on like that. I always use the tip of it and dab it on. And I always do one side at a time. Why I do one side at a time, I cannot give you an answer. I just can't. It's something that I just been doing. So, and it works for me. So, okay, you know what? Usually I would go in with my brushes to do my face. But you know what? Today I am going to go in with a beauty blender. I'm going to go in with a beauty blender because I never did before. And I want to switch it up because I know different things work for different people. So I definitely want to try different things. So I'm going to just take this beauty blender and I'm going to blend it in and see how I like that.
I might go over it still with the brush, but for the most part, it looks good. I put too much. I think I put too much on this side. I'm just rotate it to the next side also.
Alright, for the beauty blender blend, I like it. It's not bad. You could definitely see the difference. I'm coming together. Definitely could tell. And let's get this side started.
It's not bad. I'm definitely still gonna go in with the brush though. I don't know why I feel like I need that secure extra step. So.
Not bad, not bad. And then y'all know this is my handy dandy blending brush. So, blend it out. Oh wow, I see. Next step is concealer. Christy, if you're watching, this is the step you have to pay the most attention to. This is the step that I want you to see the most. This is my concealer. I'm gonna put a little bit here. I only put a little bit here because it blends out pretty good. I'm gonna put some down my nose. See? I'm going to blend it out, so don't worry. Then I'm going to put some under my eye. Put a little more. Put some under my eye. Then put some under the other eye. And I don't know why I always end up putting more under this eye versus this eye, and then gotta go back to this eye and add more. It's just me. And then I'm gonna go put some on the forehead. Nothing major. And right here, of course. Okay. That's the main areas you wanna focus on highlighting. Okay. Then I always use a foundation brush to go in and
Pat type this foundation in. And then I know I will. That's old. It's old. Try to move it up faster. I'm just blending it out a little bit because I'm going to go back in with my beauty blender, of course, and blend it.
So that's all I'm going to do with the foundation brush. Then I'm going to go in with the beauty blender. And I'm going to blend. It takes me a long time to blend. So I'm going to come back when I'm completely blended out and ready to set my highlight. Okay, so now that I blended out my highlight, I'm gonna set my concealer. I'm gonna take this beauty blender. This is the one I always use to set myself. I'm sorry. Okay, so while I'm letting that set, I'm going to do my contour. Oh, sorry. I'm going to do my contour using this little small stipple brush. And I'm going to jawline. And around the hairline. And then I know I always use my finger to go on the side of my nose. And just blend this.
I don't want to see no harsh lines. So I'm trying to get it out as good as possible.
I'm going to blend this setting powder out. Oh my God. Y'all, I just fucked up big time. I forgot that Legend and Shariah and Zanaya was playing in my makeup, and then I did not clean my brush, and it has a bronzer all in it. Oh, what the fuck? This video might as well be done, because this shit is over, dog. I look like a glowed up mess. Okay, y'all, I had to finish the rest off camera because when I did the Let the Daughter Do My Makeup challenge, they used this brush for highlight. And when I use this brush to blend out my contour and stuff, I was glowing. You hear me? Glowing. So I had to fix it. I had to fix that. Like, it was ridiculous. But yes, oh, let me go back. But yes, this is the outcome. This is the purple smoky eye, I would say. And I just put like a little peachy natural lip on it to, you know, give it a little spice or whatever. So I am finished.